Tara Bandito dwi. Hello, I'm a bilingual performer. Dwi'n canu yn Gymraeg ag yn Saesneg. We've had a couple of really nice years here. Peter TP, always a big favourite of mine.
Nath ni chwarae fan neithiwr yn y Selar, fenyw bach really cool, bach, a just vibes really anhygoel.
Nath ni weld cwpl o fandau neithiwr do?
Do, ond Thumper, ie.
Ie, oedd really cool, ond actually gwahanol oedd, oedd dau dryma'r Tara sy'n mynd mewn i'r cawd efo chi.
The other bands that I am going to be checking out, Mace the Great. I've never seen him live.
Last time I come here, I enjoyed it. Couldn't wait to come back again. I watched Lemprecht's set last year. I also watched Juice Menace's set last year as well. The festival's very diverse, lots of different genres, people from all walks of life. It's a good vibe, man, and I enjoy it here.
Ie, mae o'n really cool gweld fatha bandiau fatha Iard Act a stwff yma fatha adwaith felly hefyd.
Croeso nôl i'r eglwys fan hyn yn Aberteifi. But you know a band is local to Cardigan when they pop back to Carmarthen to practice for the afternoon and then come back in time for a set in the church.
Mae Aberteifi yn lyflu fi'n credu. Mae'r scenery tu ôl ni. Edrych yn mynd i neis. Agos i gytre? Agos i gytre, ie.
Heno mae Joy Formidable, mae Cer Savannah a ni'n chwarae, really diverse.
Mae yna bandiau o Iwerddon a felly hefyd yn oes, fatha, da ni wedi dod ar draws lot o Gwynelod, a wedi'n siarad lot o'n hefyd.
It reminds me of home a lot, and the people are very warm and friendly.
Everyone calls me like lovely, and the accent, you know, we love the accent. As soon as we entered Wales, and the scenery changed a bit, and there was these beautiful hills, and I felt suddenly at home because, I mean, Ireland and Wales are just two different sides of the same coin.